In Spark AR, you can use light sources to add realistic lighting to your effects. With lighting, you can control how an object looks and how the overall scene feels when the end user experiences the effect. There are 5 types of lights in Spark AR Studio: ambient, environment, directional, spot, and point. Ambient light adds a constant amount of light to all objects in your scene. Directional, spot, and point lights behave like 3D objects and can be moved to illuminate objects from different positions in the space. The environment light mimics the lighting from a real-world setting, like the beach or a park, by using the HDR texture files of these environments. Always remember that only a maximum of 4 lights can be placed in an effect at a time, excluding the ambient light. By default, every new project has an ambient light and a directional light added to it. These lights help to light up the objects and the scene in a realistic way. These can be removed if needed. It's recommended you remove these lights if your effect contains only 2D objects, since these don't need to show realistic depth. Editing ambient lights. Let's understand how the ambient light works in your effect. In the Scene panel, select the ambient light element. Now, in the Inspector panel, you can choose the color of the ambient light using color. Adjust how strong the strength of the light will be by changing the value of intensity. Using directional lights. A directional light will shine on each object in the scene from the same direction like a lamp. It's a good idea to have a directional light in any scene that contains 3D objects, as they give objects a sense of depth. In the Scene panel, select the directional light element and try moving it around the object to get a sense of how it will behave. As you can see, the directional light provides a sense of depth for the object. In the Inspector, you can choose a color for the directional light by clicking the box next to the color. Adjust how strong the light effect is using the slider next to intensity. Change the position of the light by adjusting the X, Y, and Z values next to position. You can also use manipulators to do this. Adding and editing point and spotlights. A point light is a sphere-shaped light that shines in all directions evenly. It becomes less intense with distance, like the sun. A spotlight is a cone-shaped beam of light, like a flashlight or a headlight. Now let's add a spotlight to the scene and make it shine from below the head. Click on Add Object in the Scene panel. Select Spotlight. Now, adjust its settings in the Inspector panel to give it a blue light and adjust its beam. Everything inside the inner cone is illuminated, and the intensity falls off towards the outer cone. Everything outside the outer cone is in the dark. You can edit the outer and inner angle of these cones by adjusting the slider next to outer angle and inner angle in the Inspector. Now, using the manipulator in the viewport, move the spotlight below the monkey head. Hit play on the toolbar and you should see your effect come to life with the light under the monkey head. In the upcoming sections, let's see how we can add the final touch to this effect by bringing in audio.